how to quantize MIDI in Logic Pro. So once you've recorded MIDI events, we will double click on those to see them in the piano roll or MIDI editor. And you can see that these events are occurring before and after the bar lines because they've not been quantized. There's multiple ways to quantize. The easiest way is in the piano roll in this MIDI editor, and you can see there's quantize controls right here. There's our drop down of value, and then we have this Q button to engage quantize. The Q key on the keyboard also engages it, and you can see that in the functions drop down, quantize notes, Q. And then we also have strength controls, and that can be adjusted as a slider, and a swing control. Before you quantize anything, you have to select the notes you want to quantize. If the notes are not selected, when you click on the region, you can draw a box around notes to make your selection, or you can hit Command A to select all the notes in the track that you are on. Now that the notes are selected, by adjusting any of these parameters, it will automatically start quantizing. If we change from 16th note to quarter note, it will automatically quantize and then dynamically change as we go to the different values. The same thing works with the strength. As we move from 100 down, you can see that the location of the quantizing changes dynamically with that, which is very handy. And then that will work also with the swing. You can see a note over here, move. So that's one way. If we undo that, there's our unquantized version. You can also quantize directly in the regions up here without having to go to the piano roll. And there are some additional options when you do it this way. So in the region dropdown, you can see there's a quantize. We can adjust to choose whichever value we'd like to use. And once again, as soon as we select something, it quantizes. And there's a swing control right here. And then lower, we have more controls. So quantize strength, we just click in here, click in this region, in this box, and drag the mouse up or down, and it will adjust that, the quantize strength. And then we have a couple other controls with the range and flam, and those actually have drop downs that you can click on and adjust. And that is how to quantize MIDI in Logic Pro.